How do you know what you should be looking for in your new home? Take a look at this video to see what are the top things that you need to consider before you hop in your car and go out and look for the perfect home. For the best home buying and real estate advice, ding the bell so that you're notified each and every Thursday as we post new videos. If you're looking to make a move and are just unsure what to consider as you hop online and to begin your new home search, by the time this video's over, you are going to be an expert and know exactly what you need to do to narrow down that criteria and that search so that you can efficiently and effectively use your time to find the perfect home. First things first, why do you want to buy a home? Buying a home is an absolute commitment, so you want to make sure that you're getting into it for the right reasons. Now, what are some of those reasons? Well, first and foremost, more wealth has been created through real estate as an investment vehicle than any other investment in the history of the United States, and that is no joke. So if you have not purchased a home, what you're doing is you're effectively creating wealth for your landlord. Would you rather create wealth for yourself or for your landlord? Give that some serious thought. Number two, get pre-qualified. You need to know how much home you can afford and what your comfort zone is. Just because you can afford $300,000 or $400,000 for your home, that doesn't necessarily mean that the payment is going to be in a comfortable range for you. So you want to make sure that you know exactly what that payment is going to be so that you're not stretching yourself too thin, because there's nothing worse than buying your home and underestimating the cost of home ownership and being stretched and not being able to just live your life. So get pre-qualified. A great lender is going to be able to help you understand the ins and outs of financing, what you need to provide to them to put yourself in the absolute best position to become a new homeowner. Take a second right now and comment below. I want to hear what are the top features that you're looking for in a home, and also what would it take today to put you in a position to be able to actually take that step. If you are not a homeowner right now, what's that one thing that it would take to take that step forward and to start working on becoming a homeowner? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Next, what area do you want to live in? So when I say area, what I mean is what city, what geographic area is going to be the best fit for you. You want to really narrow it down and start macro. So it's macro versus micro. What is the macro area that you could see yourself living in, you and your family? What's the best fit for you? So narrow down the cities, research the cities online, see what all of the different cities have to offer, then hop in your car, go out, explore. Take some time to actually explore the ins and outs of the city, because every city is different. Not all cities are created equal. So hop in your car, go explore, look at the shops, look at the restaurants, look at the different amenities, the farmers markets. What is it in the lifestyle in the city that you're looking for, and narrow it down to a specific city. If you can't narrow it down to one city, then at least narrow it down to your top 2 to top 3 cities, and then begin looking for homes in those cities. If you have just a huge area that you're looking for homes in, that is going to be a lot of homes. That's the shotgun approach and not the rifle approach. It is not what I recommend in order to be efficient and effective with your time and absolutely find the perfect home. You need to narrow it down. You will not regret it. So you've narrowed down to the top 1 to 2 cities that you're going to be looking for your new home in. What's next? Narrow it down again. We are going to narrow it down to the specific neighborhoods that catch your eye, that catch your interest. So if you can narrow it down to the top 1 to 2 cities and then narrow it down to the top 1 to 2 neighborhoods in that city, you are absolutely going to be making the most out of your home buying experience, decreasing the stress that's involved, because when you have too many options, it's called analysis by paralysis. You will actually freeze. You will feel anxiety and stress rise in your stomach, into your chest, and into your throat, and then you'll do nothing. That's not what we want for you. So narrow it down to the cities, narrow it down to the specific neighborhoods, and then let's take the next step. Okay, we've done a great job of narrowing it down at this point. So what's next? What we want to do is we want to start looking at the specific features in the home that really matter to you. So let's focus first and foremost on the things that you absolutely cannot change. We don't care about granite countertops. We don't care about the color of the carpet. We don't care about what color the paint is, because those things you can change. Now, if they have those features, thumbs up. That is absolutely great. But what we're really focusing on is the lot size. So how much space are you looking for in your home? Are you looking for something with a little bit less maintenance, or are you looking for something with a bigger yard that you can go throw the ball for miles and miles with your dog? A location. Now, what sort of a location are you looking for? Are you looking for a location closer to some amenities, closer to a park, across the street from a park? So if you can narrow it down to the location in the neighborhood, you're looking for specific things that you cannot change, like lot size, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, square footage. Do you need a master on the main level? Is a bedroom upstairs? Then you get in your car and you actually start looking at these homes. Focus on the things that you cannot change. And then down the road, if you want to change the carpet or change the cabinets or change the countertops, great. You can absolutely do that. But I highly, highly recommend do not focus on what color the paint is. Too many times I've walked through homes with home buyers and they go, gosh, I just really don't like the color of the paint. You can get over that. I can guarantee it. So let's recap really quickly. What you want to do is you want to narrow it down to the overall community. So go macro. What cities you see yourself living in. Number 2 is narrow it down to the neighborhood. And then number 3 is really focus on the things that you cannot change in your home. So focus on those things, and I guarantee you are going to find the perfect home, and you're going to do it in an efficient and an effective manner, and you're going to have less stress, because the home buying process is stressful enough as it is. Let's decrease the stress and do all of the things that we can do in our power to make sure that we're having a great home buying experience. I hope that these tips helped you. So what's next? Now that you know exactly what you need to do to start narrowing down your search to find the best home, click on the link below. You'll find a great home search tool that you'll be able to use to start to whittle down the properties to find the perfect home. Also, if you want to join a secret society of people just like you that are beginning the home buying and home selling process, I'll include a link down below to a secret page that we update on a regular basis to give you tips and tricks to navigate this sometimes tricky and complicated space.